Hello everyone, today we are going to make the project charging and discharging of capacitor. So let us see the components. Here we need a breadboard, a 470 microfarad capacitor, one LED, a 470 ohm resistor, two push button, a battery snapper, some connecting wire and a breadboard. So here we are going to show how a capacitor charges and discharges. First of all, place the two push button on the breadboard. We always place the push button at the middle of the breadboard so that the pins of the button doesn't get shorted. Now, take the 470 microfarad capacitor. The longer leg is the positive and the shorter leg is the negative. So connect the negative on the negative line of the breadboard and the positive on the breadboard. In this way. Now take some connecting wires and connect one of the pins of the push button to the capacitor positive. Now, take the 470 ohm resistor and connect it to the diagonally opposite pin of the push button and connect the other terminal of the resistor here. Then take a LED, connect its positive to the other terminal of the resistor and the negative on the negative line of the breadboard. Now take the battery snapper, connect the positive to the diagonally opposite pin of this switch and the negative wire on the negative line of the breadboard. Now connect the battery. So as I will press this button, the capacitor will start charging. Now when I will press this button, the capacitor will discharge through this LED. So the LED will first glow brightly and then its brightness intensity will decrease. As you can see, its intensity decrease. Now again when I will press, the capacitor will start charging. Now again when I will press, the LED will glow and the capacitor will get discharged. Now even if I press, it's not glowing. It's glowing very less. Thank you.